If your ASUS monitor is stuck on VGA, it means the monitor is locked onto the older VGA input and isn't detecting or switching to HDMI or DisplayPort. This usually happens due to the monitor prioritizing VGA or failing to auto-switch. We'll walk through how to fix it. It's less common now, but still pops up, especially in older setups. ASUS firmware updates have helped, but manual troubleshooting is often needed. The first step to resolve a monitor stuck on VGA is to manually select the correct input source using the on-screen display menu. Locate the Input Select option in the menu, which allows you to choose between available inputs like HDMI and DisplayPort. Cycle through the available inputs and select the one connected to your computer, such as HDMI or DisplayPort. ASUS monitors default to the last used source, so manual selection ensures proper switching. VGA cables are prone to physical damage. Check for bent pins, corrosion, or dirt on the connectors. Corrosion or dirt can block connections. Clean contacts if needed, but avoid damaging them. If using an HDMI-to-VGA adapter, ensure it has power and is functioning properly. Try swapping the VGA cable or adapter with a known good one to isolate the issue. VGA is an older analog standard, more susceptible to signal degradation over distance. Ensure the cable is securely plugged into both the monitor and your computer. Check for any damage on the connectors, such as bent pins or corrosion. Power cycle both the monitor and your PC by turning them off, unplugging the power cords, waiting about 30 seconds, then plugging back in and turning on. This forces the devices to re-establish their connection. After power cycling, go back and check the input source through the monitor's OSD menu to ensure it's detecting the correct signal. Outdated or corrupted graphics drivers can cause input detection problems. To fix this, update your graphics drivers to the latest version. For NVIDIA graphics cards, visit the NVIDIA website and download the latest driver version. For AMD graphics cards, visit the AMD website and download the latest driver version. If there was a recent Windows update, this is a high possibility to be the source of the issue. Updating graphics drivers ensures your computer is properly communicating with the monitor. Check your graphics card settings. Open the NVIDIA Control Panel or AMD Radeon settings to ensure the correct monitor output is selected and active. Sometimes the graphics card doesn't send the signal to the right port, and forcing it can fix detection issues. Also check Windows display settings for multiple monitors. If you only have one monitor, make sure any secondary display is disabled. For firmware updates, visit the ASUS support website for your monitor model to check for available updates. Installing the latest firmware can fix compatibility issues and improve input detection. Consider performing a factory reset through the OSD menu to revert the monitor to default settings, which can resolve persistent input issues. VGA is becoming obsolete as manufacturers phase it out for better digital standards. Traditional VGA ports are disappearing from new monitors due to limited resolution and reliability issues. Consider switching to HDMI, which supports higher resolutions and refresh rates with better signal quality. DisplayPort offers excellent performance for gaming and professional work with advanced features like multi-monitor support. USB-C monitors are gaining popularity for their convenience, supporting video, data, and power through a single cable. If issues persist, contact ASUS support, especially if your monitor is under warranty for model-specific solutions.